Hey everybody, today we're going to do my version of Jacques Chapin's pork and beans recipe, and it's a slow cooker recipe we're going to do on the stove top. So let's go ahead and get started and look at the ingredients. Like I said, this is my version. I'm adding mushrooms, but the original version is pork loin, carrot, onions, garlic, bay leaves, oregano, tomato, and jalapeno, and salt with kidney beans. You can really use whatever kind of beans you want. And this is going to simmer for a few hours on the stove. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to brown our pork. So we have our pork with some canola oil starting to brown, and I'm going to go ahead and put in some rice wine vinegar. It kind of helps tenderize a little bit. This is probably, I don't know, a quarter of a cup. We're also going to put in a cup of red wine. So our meat is browned, and I'm going to just add in a little bit of all-purpose flour just to thicken. Add about a cup of onion. Pork is browned and simmering away, so we're going to go ahead and add our black beans, which we've let soak in water for a bit, and we've drained them. So these are dried beans, and so they're going to sit in with the pork for a little bit. It's going to take a couple hours for the beans to soften. So we're going to add some crushed tomatoes. And now we're going to add some garlic. Now here's where my recipe is going to vary from Mr. Pépin's. I'm going to add in some mushrooms as well. I think it gives it a nice texture. Oregano. A little cayenne. And 4 cups of water. Our pork and beans has been stewing for about 3 hours now, and it's almost done. So now the only thing left to do is boil some rice. And that should be the end of it. So here is our pork and beans that have been simmering away the whole afternoon, and we have some steamed rice. So let's just take a ladle. Here's some pork and some of our sauce. Let's get some mushrooms. And there you have it. Bon appetit.